Okie dokie, so where to begin with this video? Well, the main reason why my quality of videos, like picture viewing wise, is bad is because this camcorder is having trouble accepting memory cards at the minute, and I need to get a new battery for it anyway because it's knackered. Not only that is, but I've been rather busy at work and a few other bits and pieces, so that's why I've been quite laid back, as it were. But now that I'm slowing down a bit, I decided to upload some videos and see what's going on. So, where to begin with? Well, back in the summer of this year, Microsoft was doing a free upgrade to Windows 10 to anyone that had Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, I think. And I thought to myself, you know what, we'll take that off road, see what it's like. Well, to be honest, not too shabby. To begin with, I didn't really think anything was anything different, but apart from that, I'm quite impressed with it. So yeah, so it's a little fan jerry rigged up to just keep the airflow a little bit. Just nicked a 5 volt connector and connected it onto a USB plug, which is plugged into this PC monitor. As you can see, it's just a bit jerry rigged up, and yeah, don't make too much of a bad wind output, but it makes a weird ass noise when you shut it down. No idea why it does that. It's weird. Very weird. So that's what it's running in Windows 10 Home Premium, upgraded from a Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit. This system is a 64-bit, by the way, as you can see. Now, a few of you may be wondering, where did that verbatim hard drive or portable hard drive that I had disappear to? Well, I think I made a video on it, I can't remember. It's now sitting on the bottom of this computer, on the internals. Oh, what's going on with this camcorder today? It's sitting internally here somewhere, just laid flat, without it shorting out on the chassis. And all I can say is, it's full. There you go. That's it. 38 gig free of 931 gig. How, I don't know. And yet the operating system's hard drive, or the original one to this PC, has hardly been touched. It's weird, but yeah, now that's all sorted. Should be alright now. I'm quite impressed with Windows 10 actually. Not too shabby either. So, I'm impressed with this. So, would I change it for the world? No. Not at all. I'm happy with it. So it's going to stay as is. Plus, you've never had these cool pictures when you first start the computer up. Impressive. So, and away it goes. So, now I'm going to crack on and do a shitload of paperwork. I hate this stuff. So now we get on to this beast, the old boy. Well, the old Windows Vista is long gone, but the operating system it's got on now is troublesome, and is a load of shit. And I'll explain why. So, this machine originally had Windows Vista on it. I was going to upgrade it to Windows 10, but unfortunately my plan failed, and because the Windows Vista on here had become unsupported due to Microsoft dropping it dead in the sand, we had to try and do something to try and get a better operating system. So my dad took it to work, and the guy, or the computer technician, put it on their server system and put Windows 7 on it. Got it home, was fine for about 2 weeks. Next thing we know, it starts having problems. And I'll show you what the problems are. We'll let it boot. I'm restricted for a start on what I can do with the system, without wiping the hard drive and starting again, which we are going to do. And the other thing is, it's painfully slow, and I'll show you what happens when it gets onto the main screen. So this is what happens when we try to do, well, when we try to do something on the sly and it goes horribly wrong. This is Windows 7, I used to have Windows Vista, but watch what happens. When it finally gets there, that is. This thing's got no viruses, as far as I'm aware of. So there we are on the home screen. Windows 7 Enterprise, because it was on a business system. Watch what happens when it gets to the home screen. And it pisses me off. There you go. This copy of Windows is not genuine. Well, it never was genuine, was it? Think about it. And it will just sit here for 5 minutes. But today, I've had it running for a little while, so it's caught up with itself. And it's just ridiculous. It's like stupid, really. I don't know. Never mind, I suppose. But yeah, still got the original hard drive. Supposedly an extra RAM of stick's been added. Or stick of RAM. Let's find out, shall we? See what I mean? It's painfully slow. And let's see. Nope, 3 gig of memory. Nope, it had 3 gig when we dropped it off to them. Supposedly put another stick of RAM in. That's bullshit. Oh shit, wrong button. Fucking hell. See what I mean? This thing is ridiculously slow. Excuse me. Yep, just as I thought. 3 gig RAM, 32-bit operating system. Shit, basically. So that's going to get changed. Doing this out of my own pocket. Look at that. That is fucking shocking. Look at that. Windows Index 1. 1. Subscore 5.5 of calculations per second. Memory operations per second 5.5. Desktop performance for Windows Area 1. 3D business and gaming graphics performance 1. Data transfer rate 5.7. And it's given it an overall base score of 1. Determined by the lowest score. That's fucking stupid. Here's crap. So we're going to wipe this thing, start again for Windows 10. Add another hard drive. Keep the one that's original. Probably use that as a backup drive. Bish, bash, bosh. None of this bullshit. So, anyway, that's it, really. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.